Hello dear Libra, welcome back to my channel, and this is your second week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you're looking for a monthly reading for June, that's already uploaded on my channel. Click on the videos section and you will find your signs reading. Now if you're new to my channel, please subscribe so that you can get your reading in advance. And if you would like to know more about the personal readings, the rituals and the counseling sessions that I do, please stay tuned till the end and I will give you more information. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. We will start with your career first. You have got the Five of Stars and the Fortitude. I do see that you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Capricorn or Sagittarius Sun Moon Rising, or you could have an Aquarius, Capricorn, Sagittarius Sun Moon Rising in your own birth chart. I also see that you are very stressed right now and life feels chaotic because something has ended for you and you are planning to start something new, or you're planning to end and start something new, right? I do see that you're worried that I don't know if I should start that job or not, change that job or not, start that business, go for higher studies or not. So there are a lot of overthinking and a lot of questions on your mind right now which is happening. Now with the Fortitude card here, I do see that you will have to show a lot of courage and also strength when it comes to your career situation right now. Whatever move that you're planning to make, you don't just get to sit there unfortunately and things will happen or materialize for you or manifest. No, this week is the time where you will have to take action, come out of your comfort zone and do some stuff which you haven't done before, and that even involves you going around asking for help, asking for job. So if you think that you have applied to many places and that's not happening for you, you will have to come out of your comfort zone and ask for help, because I do see that there is somebody around you who can really help you in your situation. It can be a mentor, it can be a powerful friend or family who can actually help you with the job. So if you think this is awkward for you to go and ask for help, that hey, I'm jobless, can you give me a job, this is no shame period, because till the time you don't take that action, nothing will happen for you, unfortunately. So this week is for action. Whatever you're thinking, you want to start a business, you want to change your job, find a new job, it's not happening, you need guidance, you need help, please go and ask for it and take action. Sitting in your home is not going to bring you anything this week, unfortunately, right? And if you do that, I do see that your life will change, it will give you a lot of importance and power, you will get something big, like a very big opportunity, right? Just go ahead, take action, ask for help if required. Let's see what's happening in your love life or personal connections. You've got the Neophyte and the Moon card. There is a lot of overthinking that is involved in your love life also. Like maybe you are planning to start something new, or you have a crush, you don't know how this person is. Everyone says that, oh, this is a very nice offer, this is a very nice marriage proposal, or this person is very good, but you somehow doesn't feel the vibe. You feel something is off, or this person is too good to be true, or they're lying or hiding their true identity. If that is your situation, right, then you have to listen to your intuition, because this week is the time where something will be hidden from you. There is somebody who's hiding something, whether you are in relationship, situationship, married or single. If that is your spouse, if that is your friend, if that is your crush, if that is your family, in-laws, whatever it is for you, there is somebody who's hiding something for you. And somewhere you know that they're hiding, right? They're not telling you the truth, they're hiding something, they're not being honest, or they're trying to deceive you into believing something which is not true. So like taking advantage of you by keeping the truth hidden from you. This can very well happen. So please listen to your intuition. Please listen to your dreams this week. They will be your best friend. They will be guiding you every step of the way. So if your intuition tells you something which even the world is against, then listen to your intuition and not the world. This is the message for you. So yes, it is a challenging week for you. It can be a major life-changing decision for you. Some sort of truth can also reveal itself, right? With the Moon card here, when somebody is lying and suddenly some sort of truth comes your way. So that kind of situation also can happen. So please beware on who you trust. and also in career have to take action. Sorry. Okay, and even in your personal life, if you get to know something, you have to apply it, right? You have to take action on your intuition. Whatever your intuition is guiding you, take on action. If it is suspicious about your spouse cheating on you or hiding something on you, please go ahead, investigate, collect evidence, check their phones, check their social media, anything. You will get a lot of messages. Okay, challenging but important week for you guys. And if you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel so that you can get your reading in advance and you're prepared as to what is to happen, what you need to do, because I will be giving you guided messages here as well. And other than that, do share in comment what your life situation is. I will be reading all your messages, liking them, and replying to them as well. And this was a general reading, so if you have specific questions on your mind which you need to ask me, please you can go ahead and book a personal reading. I also do rituals. I have two kind of rituals. One is the bay leaf manifestation ritual and one is a blockage removal ritual. If you think something is blocked, whether that's your health, family, love, career, anything, or I have different packages available. So if you're single, I have different set of questions plus a free remedy. If you're in love, I have different set of questions for you which will be answered in this package plus a free remedy to remove the blockages. And if you are really, really worried about your career, different set of questions like should I stay in this job, should I move, what is coming for me, what is blocking me, why am I not getting the growth, right? And again a free remedy here as well. Lastly, I take spiritual counseling session as well. So if you need guidance, you or any of your friend and family, you can participate in this one-on-one conversation with me, only available on Instagram, Zoom, and Google Meet. You can ask your questions, you can share your burdens and your problems, and I will be guiding you to the path which is right for you. Might be difficult. I will be honest with you. Whatever you're doing wrong, I will be your mirror. Okay. And again, with the help of the angels, I will be giving you a free remedy here as well. Okay. All these free remedies are worth rupees 251, which is a blockage removal ritual from one area of your life, which will be given free of cost in the packages and spiritual counseling sessions as well. The other readings that I have are exclusive love reading, which is one is very famous, which is called Oracle Love Reading. I know all of you must have booked it. So this is especially a no contact reading to channel your partner's feelings. And if you are in contact or no contact, or you want to know if this person is in love or not, or what is actually the connection between the two of you, because you feel the strange pull. Is it karmic? It is, what exactly? So I will be giving you the message, whatever the cards will reveal, whatever they are thinking about you, whatever the present, past, future of this relationship is the Mystic Red Rose Love Reading, which is the new reading I've just launched. So yes, I'm sure I'm not missing out on any details, but if you want to know more about the services, they're mentioned in my description box and my bio. And to book any session, you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please follow me on Instagram also, as you will stay updated with the price list as well, as I keep on posting the prices of every service, the new service that I launch, the discounts that are going on, or ritual, the best time to do the rituals. So the full moon is coming. This is the best time to do the rituals in case I have missed. So yes, please go and check out over there. All the details are there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching my channel. Take care of yourself, and I will definitely see you soon. Bye bye.